everybody, I'm Nithin, and today in this PSLE 2017 Paper 2 question series, I'll be going through question 2. In my channel, I aim to help all of you master all those concepts out there. Okay, so let's jump straight into question 2. Okay, so this is question 2, and this question is testing us on the concept of grouping. Again, grouping, okay? So now, let's read the question first. Some teachers and pupils from Victory Primary School went on a field trip. There were 2 teachers in each group of 15 pupils. There were 52 more pupils than teachers. How many pupils went on the field trip? Okay, so this is the question. Now that we have read it, let's highlight the key information. So, some teachers and pupils from Victory Primary School went on a field trip, okay? There were 2 teachers in each group of 15 pupils. Okay. There were 52 more pupils than teachers. So this is in total. So they are asking us how many pupils went on the field trip. Okay. So basically, what this sentence means is that, so there is 15 pupils, right? So this is 15. And then there's 1, 2 teachers. So these 2 teachers, this is one group of 15 pupils. So in this group, there's 2 more teachers coming in, okay, to look after them, right? So basically, all of this makes one group. So in order to find how many pupils are more than teachers in a group, we take 15 minus 2, right? Which will give us 13. So after that, we can find the number of groups. 52 divided by 13. So this is one group, right? We can find how many of these groups. So this is basically the number of groups. How many of these groups can we find? Since we know that there are 52 more pupils than teachers in total, we can take 52 divided by the number of pupils more than teachers in each group, which is 13. It will give us 4 groups. So how many pupils went on the field trip? We know that there's 15 pupils in each group. So basically, in order to find the number of pupils, we take 15 times 4. Okay? Which will give us 60. So 60 is the answer for question 2. Okay, so I hope you understand my explanation for question 2 and the grouping concept. And thank you and bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!